Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to vlog number 40. As you guys can see, we are here back in Tinkercad. As you guys remember, yesterday we talked about the BB gun and how we were gonna give it more accessories in the future. If you haven't seen that video, go into the description. There's gonna be a link for part 1 and part 2. So as you guys can see, we're in Tinkercad, and basically the first accessory we're gonna have to add on it is, of course, the tactical rail. So it's gonna be like this. We have a basic model of the gun. It's not the actual gun, it's just a basic shape to let you guys know how it's gonna basically work. So this part is gonna lock onto the bottom rail so that there's a Picatinny rail on the top and bottom for both tactical sights or lasers or flashlights if we want to add them on top. And also, as you guys can see, there's a square notch so that we can see down the sights without having the without having the rail blocking our vision. So this is our design in Tinkercad. We're gonna print it out next week and try it out on the gun. Not sure if it's gonna work because this is a way more complicated piece of 3D model, and the file actually got corrupted. We got it back, but some places are distorted, as you guys can see, like the rail and also the flat areas. It's sort of distorted, but if there's any problems, I'm pretty sure we can sand it off just fine. So that is basically the design. We'll be definitely changing it up after the first print, but this is the first prototype, so I will see you guys tomorrow. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.